In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Chatgpt to create TradingView indicator. To get started, head over to Chatgpt and open a new chat. This is where you'll generate the Pine script code for your TradingView indicator. Once you're in a new conversation, think about the type of indicator you want to create. You can request something simple or something more customized, depending on your needs. For this example, enter a prompt asking ChatGPT to create an indicator in Pine script with a stop loss and a target of 10%. After you submit the prompt, ChatGPT will generate Pine script code for you. Once the code appears, review it briefly and then copy the entire script. After copying the code, the next step is to access the Pine script editor in TradingView. Open Google and search for TradingView script editor. From there, navigate to the Pine script editor. If required, log into your TradingView account so you can access and save scripts. When the editor opens, you'll see a blank script template. Click inside the editor and paste the Pine script code you copied from ChatGPT. After the code has been pasted, give your script a name. Choose a name that clearly idents once you've entered a name. Click Save. Wait a moment while TradingView saves the script to your account. After the script has been saved successfully, return to your TradingView chart. On the chart screen, look toward the top area and click on Indicators. This wheelbar, TradingView, should display your saved indicator in the results. Click on it to add it to the chart. As soon as you select it, the indicator will be applied to your chart and become visible. At this point, your custom indicator is ready to use. The Pine script code was generated by ChatGPT, pasted into the TradingView script editor, saved to your account, and then added directly to your chart through the Indicators menu. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can use ChatGPT to generate Pine script code, save it in TradingView, and quickly add a custom indicator to your charts. Thank you for watching.